How to fix Higgsfield AI stuck in queue problem. Once you have signed in, and then if you're trying to make something in this Higgsfield AI, so it might get stuck in somewhat like in queue, it gets stuck. So, for example, if you want to make a character, so you can simply press on create character, and you'll have to upload photos. So here there might be a problem while uploading and creating a photo. So it might result in getting stuck. So what you'll have to do is, first of all, what you can do is you can simply wait for like 25 to 30 minutes and then restart or try with your program, so it will generally fix because uploading or creating characters, the uh, AI will take significant time. So you'll have to wait for like 25 to 30 minutes. So uh, if that doesn't fix, what you'll have to do is go to the three icon at the top right of your browser, and then at there you'll have to simply press on the settings. So once you're into the settings, here at the search settings option, simply search for cookies. So search for cookies. And once you found cookies, you can see delete browsing data. So you'll simply press on delete browsing data and make sure the cached images and files are selected and simply press on delete data. So that would probably fix. So you'll have to simply do that. If that doesn't still fix, wait for some time. The browser might be loading or your internet connection might be slow as well. So check for that. Hopefully the video helps. Thank you.